Okay guys, so today on Milo the cat, we are going to be teaching you how to get a cat to sit pretty. You will need a clicker or something that makes a similar sound to a day clicker. Milo, move, move, move. No, no, no. And treats. So first what you gotta do, Milo, is get them into a sit. Click and reward. Then, if they already know it, or are getting excited, take the treat and bring it up slowly. And reward them when their feet come off the ground. Good boy. It's pretty. Bring it slowly up. Good boy. There you go. He just dropped a bit of his treat. Sit pretty. Good boy. Sit pretty. Good boy. And that one I had no treat, and he still did it. So again, pretend that you're reaching into your treats. Bring it up. Good boy. And again, if they refuse, go back to the treats. Good boy. And reward them as soon as their paws come off your hand. And this should be your finished product. Again, working it without the treat is going to take a little bit longer, but if you just want to get them in position, that is what you should do.